Smarter tech, stronger control. Meet the Flux 2. The new Evolution Flux robot is here. A longer robotic arm for higher reach, a stronger magnet for improved navigation, and integrated software that plans surgeries before they even start. This is more than just a machine. It is a promise to be better.
The Flux robot enhances the steerability of magnetic endovascular guide wires during fenestrated fEVAR interventions. The design works collaboratively with the clinical team and maintains their intraoperative control over the wire and clinical workflow. This way, we empower the surgeon during the operation rather than remove them from the operating theater.
One of the key upgrades we have in Flux Robot is the graphical user interface we have developed. It allows the surgeon to interact with the system and do target selection based on a specific anatomy of the patient. This will increase the efficiency of the surgeon during the procedure. The interface is also designed to be more intuitive and responsive and to give full control of the operating environment to the surgeon.
The goal of this animal trial was to test and validate the efficiency and safety of the Flux 2 system. We also introduced 6 new guidewire prototypes designed specifically for magnetic navigation. This was one of the final steps before first-in-human trials, which is a major leap forward for Flux Robotics.
One of the most important limitations or frustration we have is the cannulation of the lesion of the target vessels.
I think what we learned today and saw today very impressively was the fact that magnetic navigation works and helps us to get a wire into a very specific port into the lesion where we want to have the wire.
Even to push the wire probably is the most impressive thing, because from outside it seems to be quite difficult to reach that particular objective.
Of course, it's very fast to pull or to push the guide wire into challenging arteries. And what is good, I think, of the system is that it really has a stable position of the guide wire. If you are continue to push or to pull, the guide wire will also be in a stable position, so that's another advantage.
So the use potential, I think, is especially in the way of reducing operation time. Less X-ray exposure with this, of course, so this also affects and impacts safety. Magnetic navigation support, I think, has a huge potential.
Surgery is evolving, and so are we. With every iteration, we are building confidence amongst regulators, physicians, and patients alike. Our goal remains clear, and that is to ensure that we are empowering physicians to perform these surgeries more efficiently so that more patients can benefit from these life-saving technologies.